ऐसा मेरा मानना है। बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद।
श्री कनक मेदला रविंद्र कुमार जी। श्री कनक मेदला रविंद्र।
Honorable Deputy Chairman, sir, I am very thankful to you for giving this opportunity to participate in the discussion and passing of the National Institute of Pharmaceutical Education and Research Amendment Bill 2021. Everybody, almost all the speakers are, all parties are supporting this bill. It does not mean it accepting the bill in toto. The Honorable Minister has to consider the recommendations and the observations made by the most of the speakers and which are considered to be to suitable and make necessary amendments in the bill. Chairman, sir, during the second lockdown period in this year, across the entire nation, each and every citizen came across world like shortage of remdesivir and shortage of oxygen, etc. That was the serious situation which made us to resolve that essential medicines to meet any contingencies should be produced indigenously. The reason for mentioning this now, the bill which has been brought before this House deals with those institutes which are nourishing ground for young pharmacists. The students studying in those institutes have the responsibility of undertaking research to invent more and more medicines for pandemic diseases like COVID-19. Moreover, this bill proposes to accord the status of the institutes of national importance to some institutes which were set up under the Parent Act. Sir, this bill proposes to introduce a new chapter 2A intending to establish the council to coordinate the activities of all the institutes and to take all such steps to ensure planned and coordinated development of pharmaceutical education and research and maintenance of standards. Honorable Deputy Chairman, sir, I would like to make one request to the Honorable Minister. Investment in pharmaceutical sector in India is very meager. It has been learned that it is only less than $40 billion. The government must undertake all endeavor to enhance the level of investment, at least more than $50 billion. We have such a pool to talent in our country that it is sufficient to invest is ensured we can certainly excel this in sector. In our country has witnessed the Bharat Biotech leading pharmaceutical company has innovated the Covaxin medicine for COVID-19. Now it became a global importance because if these institutes are enhanced and the budget categories are enhanced, so much investigation can be done. Sir, the Departmental Parliamentary Relating Standing Committee on Chemicals and Fertilizers, which was considered the bill and submitted its reports House, expressed its concern regarding inordinate delay in setting up 5 more National Institutes of Pharmaceutical Education and Research. Sir, one of the recommendation, it is recommended that certain standards for which such parameters may be established to ensure that every NIPER meets standard of an institution having national importance. It is a valid recommendation, it has to be considered, and the government is going to take such steps so as to standardization of all these 7 institutes. The other important recommendation is that additional courses have to be started. It is also important and to about specialized courses in national products and traditional medicines. Now, I would like to bring it to the notice of this August House with about the generic medicines. That is also important, but I would like to seek a specific clarification from the Honorable Minister. What is the present status and statistics of generic medical shops in the country?
Maanनीय कनक मेदला रविंद्र कुमार जी, your time is over.
The concept, because the poor and marginalized sections of the society will be getting medicines and affordable, achievable rates. The pharmaceutical industries is not cooperating with generous to the medical stores. That was in the roar and the uproar. So my suggestion is to generic medicines have to be popularized internationally. Let these 7 institutes national importance give focus to provide innovative medicines at an affordable, cheap rate so that common masses will be benefited, it will be done as well. So my final request is to explore the possibility of establish more institutes, particularly in the state of Andhra Pradesh in Amaravati. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. Maanनीय Shwet Malik.